I usually record and make Willow Tax Talk at this spot. There's a rock behind me that I put my tripod on. The camera right there is completely underwater. This is interesting. I just got interviewed by KOIN News talking about the weather and the river and how it's flooding. There's logs and trees going down the river and it's treacherous and it's flooding. It's usually a normal little calm, beautiful creek. Today it's just rushing, and I know in seriousness that there's a lot of damage with floods, and just my heart goes out